In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe email receipts. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that opens your account settings and business preferences. After you open settings, go to the business settings section. In that area, find and click customer emails. This page contains the options that control the automatic emails Stripe can send to your customers. When the customer emails page opens, scroll until you see the email receipts section. This is where you can manage whether Stripe sends payment and refund notifications on your behalf. First, locate the successful payments option. Turn this toggle on if you want Stripe to automatically send a receipt whenever a customer completes a payment successfully. This setting is useful if you want customers to receive immediate confirmation without needing to send receipts manually. Next, find the refunds option. Turn this toggle on as well if you want customers to receive an email whenever a refund has been issued. This helps keep customers informed and gives them a clear record of the refund transaction. Take a moment to review any other email receipt options that may appear on the same page. Depending on your account setup, Stripe may show additional settings related to customer communication. Check that the options you need are enabled and that the receipt settings match how you want your business to communicate with customers. Once you have confirmed that the required settings are turned on, your email receipt setup is complete. You can then return to your Stripe dashboard. To make sure everything is working correctly, process a test payment. After the payment succeeds, verify that a receipt is sent automatically. If you also enabled refund emails and want to confirm that feature, process a test refund and check that the refund notification email is delivered as expected. Testing both actions helps confirm that Stripe is sending the correct customer emails based on your settings. If the emails are sent successfully, then your setup is working properly and your customers will automatically receive updates for future payments and refunds. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.